Well, good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Well, it's not actually morning, it's kind of evening. It's like 6 p.m. or something. I didn't actually wake up because I woke up like half an hour ago. I did the dishes, I went out, got some groceries. About to start off my day with some smoothie, you guys can say. But let me quickly go ahead and show you guys. Let's quickly go ahead and get into it. Hold up, guys. So, before we get into making the tonic or kind of the energy booster, I'm gonna have to show you guys what I usually do with the tonic. That I do is add some creatine monohydrate, I add some moringa powder, and I also throw in some shilajit there. Now let's get into it. So the first thing that we'll need is some kind of container. We don't need that much, just a little. Put that bad boy in. The water's done. Now we're gonna pour some water into this. Just add a little. First is creatine monohydrate here. About to put it in. That's what she said. And now I'm about to put in some moringa powder. This is what it looks like. But believe me, guys, this tastes shit, like literal shit. According to your taste, we added in about a scoop, about again 5 grams or so. Now we're gonna add some shilajit. Come on, bro. So this is what it actually looks like, you guys can see. And I'm about to put in a tad bit, like there we have it, like this much. Again, increasing the dosage after a couple of days is a good option. This will not taste good. Or it's good for you, it's good for you. Go ahead and give it a little good mix, then just swallow it. Again, that's what she said. I mean, that's what he said. Sorry, guys. I'm just way in over my head today. I'm not sure if you guys have tried the matcha. I think it looks like that, but definitely it doesn't taste like that. Good things are always bitter. Let's focus on the euphemism, guys. And there we have it. All done. About to drink this bad boy up. Again, this does not taste good. So if you want, have some chocolate or maybe kind of a candy so that you can bear the taste. Oh shit, it also smells really bad. I need some water again. This literally, guys, I felt like puking and I still have like some left. I have some normal water so that I can chug it or maybe, I don't know, get this over with. And this milk is killing me. Mixing the rest of it, whatever's on the sides. I don't know why am I even filming this. Random shit, man. Finally got that out of the way. We gotta make sure that we drink enough water after having that disgusting piece of shit. Give or take 10-20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and make the banana shake, a calorie dense banana shake, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it again. I've shown you guys multiple times, but again, what's the harm in showing you guys again? Alright guys, now let's get to cooking the smoothie. First is bananas. I'm adding about 3 large bananas, adding in about a scoop, and we have it there. I forgot the peanut butter, which you guys can add, but I don't feel like adding it today. So throwing in some milk and then giving it a blend without adding all the milk in, because that'll just make it chunky. We don't want that. We want real nice thick texture. People like thick, man. Then we give it a mix. Oops. What the shit? Why isn't it working? Give it a mix. The texture is pretty thick. Check this out. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but who cares? But this is what it looks like. And I'm about to add the rest of the milk to give it the good quantity. And there we have it. Adding it all in, squeezing that shit up. There we go. Got that part out of the way. The sound it made though. And voila! we are ready with our gainer shake. Too much to think about. We got it right here, and now let me quickly show you guys the consistency. Yes, bro. Yes. Let me tell you guys, the taste is amazing. I'm about to show you guys a really crazy hack that you guys can do with this to make it more caloric dense. And I believe I have posted a reel on Instagram as well. Go ahead and watch it. Follow me on Instagram as well so that you can be updated on the new tips. Add some 50 to 100 grams of muesli into a bowl. Pour this thing in, and again guys, this smells awesome. I think you guys are able to get this visible. Yeah, I'm adding this much, adding in some banana shake. Make sure to finish the entire thing and don't keep it for later. So there we have it, adding in this banana shake, and there we go. Give this a mix, give it a taste. By the way, I didn't even focus how bad my hair looks. I'm about to go ahead and get a haircut, but not today, maybe later. By the way, it smells pretty amazing, tastes pretty amazing. This is 10 on 10 oatmeal or muesli meal, whatever you're gonna say. Now, as we got that out of the way, we are done with the gainer shake. Now I'm about to wait about 30 minutes or an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and cook some high protein sandwiches, and I'm gonna show you guys the real easy way. It's gonna be a cheese sandwich with some paneer. So it has been about 2 hours since we had our banana shake, and now I'm about to get into the workout at home because it was Sunday today and there was no gym, and this is what we have to do now. I wasn't actually bothered to wake up and make the sandwich, so I'm about to go ahead and get into the workout. Check this out, guys. Look at the pump. Here's another angle. Let's move on to ab workout exercises. You guys should definitely try out this supplement stack that I'm using right now, which is again some protein shake, shilajit, moringa powder, and yeah, that's it. Rest is totally natural. Doing some bicep curls to finish it off. with that, guys, we are done with today's home workout and looking pretty good actually. I'm really happy with the results with the supplement stack. You guys should try it. Now I'm about to go ahead, hop into the shower, and then go back to make the high protein meal.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the shower. Now let's quickly go ahead and make the high protein meal. This is already set up. Sandwich, which is right here. Shit, I forgot about the bread. And there we have it, guys. This is double cheese paneer sandwich. About to enjoy the deliciousness of this sandwich. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and help me grow. Go watch other videos on my YouTube channel, and peace out, guys. Thank you for watching.